So ako the mayor at vice mayor of LGU Balay. Kung pwede ka nakakaiyak iba sa ito mag-ulit. Again, the mayor Bolivar Bautista. At Honorable Carlos Puwari. Kung pwede ka nakakaiyak sa mayor at vice mayor of LGU Balay. I-invite ko na ako nila kapatid.
Slowly simmered with ginger, lemongrass or tanglad, and the tender meat of young coconuts. Also, our dishes out from pork, beef, deer, shrimps, and fishes of taking pound, egg, springs, and shrimps are also cooked in the same way and manner. LGU Libangaw! Viva Kaisagal Santo Niño!
Viva Kaisagal Santo Niño! Using a funnel, the mixture is poured into true stick receptacle made from banana leaves and then steamed until it is cooked. When the mixed texture becomes jelly-like, huwad-huwad is done. It is then removed from the pot and is placed in an igloo for it to cool down. To prepare the receptacle, banana leaves are cut into a span and heated in the fire to make them soft. White, to make it clean, it is then rolled into the caterpillar wood or pipe, which is about an inch in diameter, a puri or
One ibahay.
yes, one ibahay. And of course, the delicacy is commonly cooked and sold Ibahay in the 70s until in the late 80s. It is then gradually disappeared as the years went by. One of the culture bearers of Buwan is Lola Ikay Garcia of Baloco. Around the early 1970s, she saw her nanay and a cousin of her mother-in-law. Okay! Ibahay! Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño! Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño!
One Ibahay pinapamanahan ni Honorable Mayor Jose Miguel Vera Flores and Honorable Vice Mayor Nestor Francisco Inocencio. Ang iyong andang designated development manager. That designated municipal tourism officer, Mang Min Iliton. Hello po, ayan one Ibahay
Maabo-abo, gaya ng mga tawag.
Yes, partner, may mga nag-alabutan na rin ng mauliit. Gusto mo na daw mag-chairman ba? Go LGU! New Washington 1, New Washington, viva kay Senyor Santo Niño! Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño! Loving as well the energy of our one New Washington, LGU, New Washington. Grabe na enjoy nito pagsadsad sa rin celebration na itigate contest at LGU Parade in celebration of the Calibo Santo Niño Atiatian Festival 2026. Masinagdamon, Romanon na selebrasyon. Salamat, dear Santo Niño, sa tanang grasya, sa tanang blessings, ng inyong mga ginatao, kamon.
Partner no, so habang nagkakasagda, pinapakalan, sunod na kami sa ating kasalamat sa ating pagpapito, sa kasalan ng mga pwede, sa mga pagpapito.
Yes, paraan, devotion, kay dear Santo Niño. Yes, partner, no? Excited kung akong naran ang mga LGUs, no? Entries, no? Saan na mga higante entries. Hindi na masayuran natin kung anong LGU gig, no? Mga stand out sa raya nila. Yes,
Hindi man ito maswerte ng LGU. Yung maganda ko.
tanawa mo, atake, deserve ito mga Rick Arpolin, ang babaeng kanyang gabi. Good vibes ang atake.
Ano ba?
Yes, I am enjoying the Sayonara Higante Contest and LGU Parade 2026.
Okay, no? So, habang ako nila magpalma ng mga crowd na kalan. Kung pwede akong mahigante, kung pwede kita ka-forward sa kire, sa suod, di ba forward sa kire sa suod ang mga higante, para pares mo di karaho, maabot mo sa may simentado no part, kita kanya area.
Yes, tama na si
Pwede
partner.
na rin pangalan, tutangalan, kung pwede kita ka-forward na lang mga kaniping na higante,
Sundan lang po.
Buruwangga,
Yes.
pwede sa Aiswa, ng alam Taiwan po nga, ito niya. Okay, kung pwede ka-forward para mas makita kita itong mga officials niya sa printe.
Yes, ako din salamat sa inyong kooperasyon.
We can start in a while.
Yes, sundan lang po ano
Alam
yung
kita.
mga kasunod ng mga higante entries.
Ako na Buruwangga, kung pwede kita ka-forward sa dire.
Yan, mas marami ka na ako,
Yes,
partner.
mas kita. Iya ba?
Mas kita.
Mas naka-picture ako, part.
Yes.
Malinaw! Ako nga malinaw, kung pwede kita ka-iswa.
Yes.
Sa ako mga pamabalwa, kung pwede kita assist sa akong nahigal, tingnan mo pa iswa, gila sa tunga, banda. Kita to nga area.
Yes, mas marami kita na ako, partner, kung marami ka piniyayan. Thank you very much. Sa uman, sa rental oil, may ato na 10 higante entries.
So, kung nga malinaw, kung pwede pa kita ka-iswa, Agro Buruwangga. Ako nga LGU Buruwangga, kung sino pwede ka-assist. Okay. Yan.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Dahan na. Last to ba?
Oh, partner na yung itong mga entries natin sa rental oil.
Grabe.
Yes.
Effort na effort, partner.
Effort na effort to the max.
Actually, partner ng dati ka mga ako ay nakikita, kuha tayo. Number 7, Anaid Kalibo, kung pwede kita ka-forward. LGU Kalibo.
Yes, LGU Kalibo.
Ka-forward sa atin para mas makita.
Yes, thank you so
Yes,
much.
maraming salamat po.
Inaabangan na ako na partner, no? As
Oh,
in,
yes. Kung nga partner, nakikita ko lagi doon. Mataas. Na, sila simple yung taas ko lagi. Kung nga, nakarelas bongga din ang partner.
Yes, sabi
pina-effortan. Mga imagination ng mga LGU.
Ayan, ginahinyo nato, mag-picture nato ng mga bisita. Kung pwede, ay doon na lang anak na picture-picture.
So we'll start our program in a while. So pwede ka settle down kung may isang-isang na nakikita. You will have your time ninyo ang oras para ito sa picture ng mga alcance.
Yes, yun muna
For
po.
now, we will have our program.
Ako dito sa lahat. Sa uwan na yan, ayat ng hapon, probinsyang Aklan, sa atong mga malandog na bisita, ang tanan ay makamot sa aton na Kalipo Pastrana Park, and of course sa ating mga online viewers, welcome sa aton na Regate Contest and LGU Parade 2026.
Partner Road this year, ano ang tema ng Higante Parade, ay Higanting Ati at mga handumanan na kalalong din Aklan. Kami na palakpakan ng mga LGU, palakpakan naman natin.
Yes, thank you so much.
And of course, ang sponsor na agency this year, ang Provincial Government of Aklan, palakpakan na po natin.
Thank you so much, PGA, Aklan, headed by our award-winning governor, Honorable Enrique Joken Miraflores.
And of course, our Vice Governor, Honorable Dexter and Calisto.
Yes, kay mga ng mga SP members man natin.
Tapos mga mahugod ni ST members, maraming salamat po.
Ang sa nakaroon para mas ma-bless pag itong ating na event, ginahinyong natin ng tanan na mag-indong, please all stand for the opening prayer to be led by Miss Angie Nicole Reyes, tourism staff.
And of course, please remain standing for the national anthem and Aklan Team.
Let us bow our heads and feel the presence of the Lord. In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Heavenly Father, we humbly gather in your presence today with grateful hearts, thanking you for bringing us together for the 2026 Regante Contest. We acknowledge your guiding hand in allowing this celebration of creativity, culture, and unity to take place safely and meaningfully. We ask for your wisdom and inspiration to fill the hearts and minds of all participants. Grant them clarity of thought, strength of spirit, and calmness of heart as they showcase their talents and proudly present their creations. May their efforts reflect dedication, teamwork, and love for our rich heritage. We lift up to your esteemed judges, grant them discernment, fairness, and integrity as they evaluate each entry. Remind them that their judgments are guided not only by skills and standards, but also by truth and righteousness. May they deliberate with honesty and ensuring that justice and excellence prevail. Have pity on us, dear Santo Niño, that all our sacrifices and tears of penitence be offered in your holy name, and let these be an instrument of our conversion to you. May your holy infancy touch our hearts as we gather together and shout with joy, Viva kay Señor Santo Niño! Viva! In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem and the
Governor Lester Calizo, and representatives from the 1st and 2nd District, Congressman Jeff Marquez and Congressman Joven Miraflores. Also, our Congressman from Kamangagawa Party List, Congressman Eddie San Fernando. Hindi tayo magkakali dito, sir. Our provincial board members, other mayors from their respective towns, employees, guests, visitors. A lively afternoon to each and everyone. Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño! On behalf of the people of Calibo, it is an honor to welcome to all of you in our town, the home of the Atentian Festival and in today's event of showcasing the Aklan's tradition and heritage. Iya kita makaroon, presente sa pagkawid dungo at pagdayaw kay Senyor Santo Niño at sa pagpabugal in aton ng mga higante at mga produkto in aton ng banwa sa probinsya ng Itakar. Kasi ang tourism officer, huwag ba higante pagkita o amang karoon pinakamanaba na L3 Kita paro-host doon, kita paro pinakabansok. As Aklanos, we have the biggest and the grandest celebration of the mother of all Philippine festivals, the Calibo Senyor Santo Niño Ati-Atian Festival. Hence, it is my pride and honor to welcome all of you as we unite as one Aklanos. The Higante contest has been a cherished tradition. Let us not only appreciate the craftsmanship, but also to reflect the love and pride we have for Aklan. Salamat sa inyo mapagpartisipan at sa pagpaabot inyong suporta sa atong kapistahan. Kapay pa na maging masinagyaho ng inyong ati-atihan, iya sa Manuait Calibo. May our faith continue to unite us all in the celebration of promoting our culture and in honor of Santo Niño Festival. Thank you very much. Let us enjoy the rest of our festivities and let us give our praise and thanksgiving by shouting, Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño! Viva! Salamat, Mayor Julius Bautista Sutro. And of course, before we proceed to the next message, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our former Congresswoman and former Vice Governor, Pili Aliso Vivo. Maraming salamat po, palakpakan po natin siya. Thank you so much for coming, ma'am. And of course, ito kasunod ka mag-welcome katuliyatanan. Pero atong maabi-abi yun, ang naging ng Vice Governor of the Province of Aklan, Honorable Dexter M. Calizo. Palakpakan po natin.
Good afternoon, everyone. To our ever-respected Governor, Governor Jose Enrique Miraflores, to our beloved congressmen of the districts of Aklan, Jesus Marquez of the 1st District, and Florencio Miraflores of the 2nd District, to our visitor, Congressman Eddie San Fernando, to the municipal and provincial officials present, especially to our guest speaker, Mayor Wang Wei-che of Tainan City, Taiwan, represented by Mr. Su N.N., the Director General of the Department of Information and International Relations, Tainan City Government, along with Shirley Chu, the Section Chief of the Department of Information and International Relations, Tainan City Government, and to all of us present here this afternoon. In behalf of the Provincial Government of Aklan, I warmly welcome you to the Higante Contest 2026, one of the biggest highlights of our Calibo Santo Niño Ati-Atihan Festival. This event shines a light on the amazing creativity and skills of our local government units. Each LGU brings towering higantes made from local materials featuring their products, artistry, and shared identity. These beautifully crafted giant figures show real teamwork, fresh ideas, and deep love for our culture and traditions. Through this contest, our LGUs prove their strong commitment to keeping our heritage alive. The provincial government proudly backs this event, and we want to build cultural pride in every town. We cheer on healthy competition and teamwork among our LGUs. To the participating 10 LGUs, you for your passion and your hard work. You keep Ati-Atihan alive, vibrant, and full of meaning. To our judges, partners, and organizers, thank you for your efforts to make this a success. To our guests and visitors, enjoy the stunning artistry and feel the joyful spirit of Aklan. Let us keep celebrating our unity, culture, and faith together. Mabuhay ro Aklan, mabuhay rong Ati-Atihan, at viva kay Senyor Santo Niño. Viva! Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honorable Dexter Maniong Pelizo, Vice Governor of the Province of Aklan. Moving forward, ladies and gentlemen, we are happy and we are honored celebrating with us today the Mayor of Tainan City, Mayor Juan Weite. We have this sisterhood agreement between Province of Aklan and Tainan City in Taiwan. Mayor Juan Weite, represented by Mr. Su N.N., Director General of Department of Information and International Relations, Tainan City Government in Taiwan. Translator, Ms. Shirley Chu, Section Chief of Department of Information and International Relations, Tainan City Government in Taiwan. Once again, let's give a round of applause to Mr. Su N.N. and Translator Ms. Shirley Chu.
亲爱的省长、副省长、众议员、各位市长、各位贵宾、在场的优秀的保安员团体，还有阿克兰省的朋友们，大家好。
Honorable Governor, Vice Governor, and all the congressmen and all the honorable municipal mayor and all wonderful performing goods and friends from Auckland. Good afternoon.
我是来自阿克兰省姐妹市台湾南市政府新闻国际关系处处长朱文渊，很高兴来参加这次的活动。看到大家热情的表演，也感到很感动。
My name is Su N.N. and I come from Tainan City, Taiwan, which is the sister city of Aklan Province. I serve as the Director General of the Department of Information and International Relations of Tainan City Government, and it's my honor to attend this wonderful event. And I was so touched when I saw all your amazing performance.
我们台南市的市长本来要来参加这场盛会，但是因为总统临时召见，所以来不及赶上。但他现在坐飞机，今天晚上会赶来跟大家同乐。
The Tainan Mayor Huang Weizhe had originally planned to attend the ceremony, but due to an urgent meeting called by our President of Taiwan, he is unable to make it. But he will arrive later on this evening, and he looks forward to enjoying the festival with you.
台南是我们台湾的第一个城市，跟阿克兰一样是一个古城。我们有丰富的文化历史，还有丰富的观光资源，以及在台湾非常有名的美食。我诚挚的邀请我们各位好朋友到我们台南来探索这时候城市的魅力。
Similar to Auckland Province, Tainan is also an ancient city of Taiwan, and it is well known for its culture, history, tourist attractions, and delicious cuisine. Therefore, I sincerely invite all to come to Tainan City and discover the city's unique charm.
在此庆祝这次的活动圆满成功，大家玩得愉快，谢谢大家。阿克兰，Number One！
And I wish today's event a great success and hope everyone had a wonderful time here. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Su N.N. and Mr. Chu. And of course, thank you so much to Mayor Juan Weite. And we send our march report to our mayor. Thank you so much. And of course, at this time, no, sa among kinabatihan, doon sa Apol, the first district representative, Apol Bidlan, Apol Congressman, Jesus Papajes R. Marquez.
very handsome and beloved Governor Jose Enrique Joel Miraflores, Vice Governor Dexter Calizo, our Sangguniang Panlalawigan members, our mayors and chief officials, my partner in Congress, Second District Congressman Lorenzo Joel Miraflores, ang akong amigo, my friend sa Congress, Congressman Eli San Fernando of Kamanggagawa Party List, palakpakan natin siya. To our representative of the Mayor, Wangwei J, Mr. Su N. Good afternoon. And his translator, Ms. Shirley Chu. My beautiful wife, Cory, and my two daughters who are here with us today. Mga kasama natin sa government service and guests from all over the world and other parts of the country, friends, mga kasimanmoa, ngayon ayan kahapon sa atong tanan. Today we are not just watching a parade. Today we are declaring who we are as Aclanons. The Gigantes passing before us, tall, colorful, and alive, are not just a piece of art. They are part of our history, standing tall. They are our culture, walking the streets. They are our identity, refusing to be forgotten. Why do we continue to celebrate this Gigante Parade? Because culture is not entertainment. Culture is resistance. Resistance against forgetting who we are. Resistance against losing our roots in a fast-changing world. Every Gigante you see here in front of us carries our values. Bayanihan, creativity, because Aclanons create even when resources are few. We see unity because culture is strongest when we stand together. And pride because we know that we are worthy of our story and our roots. Ang sabi nga natin, ang bayan na marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay may lakas ng marap sa kinabukasan. Kaya ipagpatuloy natin ipagdiriwang ang Gigante Parade dahil sa pag-aalala ng ating kultura, lalo tayong tumitibay bilang isang bayan. Sa mga kabataan, sa mga inunga, this parade is not just for your eyes, it is for your soul. One day, you will carry the Gigantes yourselves. And when that day comes, you will carry the whole of Aklan on your shoulders. To our guests, sa atong mga bisita, ito ay patunay na kahit saan kayo dalhin ng mundo, ang kultura ng Aklan ay laging uuwi sa inyo. Sa ating mga artists, communities, and culture bearers, congratulations because you are the true giants. And as long as there are hands that create, hearts that remember, and voices that celebrate, Aklan's culture will never shrink. It will only rise. So today, let these Gigantes remind us, we may be so small on our map, but the spirit that we have as Aklanon is massive. Tayong mga Aklanon ay may higanteng puso, may higanteng kultura, at higanteng pagmamahal sa bayan. At maraming salamat sa ating gobernador na may higanteng pagmamahal sa ating lahat. Dahil tandaan po natin, ang ating gobernador ay may akwan, may deksidalidad na pagpanerbisyo para sa tama at maayos na kinabukasan dahil ang Serbisyong Marquez, Serbisyong Miraflores. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Aklan First District Congressman Papa Jackson Marquez. Yan, Servisyo Marquez. Wow, at mga Marquez, Servisyo Flores. Higanteng pagmamahal. At sa makaroon at pagmamalian, rung aton nga pinalangga na mabukod at mabuod na congressman sa Pangayong Distrito, in Probinsyang Aklan. Aton nga palakpakan
mahugol sa Gobernador, Governor Joel Flores, ang ang partner sa development in Aklan, Vice Governor Dexter Cabizo. I'd like also to recognize our guest from Congress, Congressman Elvis San Fernando, from Manggagawa Party List, and of course, our guest speaker, Wang-Wei Chi, Mayor of Tainan City, and represented by Mr. Xu N.N. and the group from Tainan. Welcome to Aklan. To our mayors present, vice mayors, local officials, to our members of the Sangguniang Panalamigan, sa aton ng mga bisita, mga talaga ko at ganon, may relative na hapon tinatanan. Exactly 31 years ago, on my first term as governor of the province of Aklan, we started this Gante Parade contest. It was a way of remembering our traditions of Aklan. We had to invite some artists from Manila to train our local artists to make these superb enchanted personalities. And through the years, we have seen how it evolved to what it is today. Nalimay kita po ito na makita na sa pag-umpisa during the simple beginnings in 1995. Magkaroon, makita natin ng namin na mga higante natin that represents the culture of each municipality of the province of Aklan. And so I would like to congratulate our mayors, our local officials, who have tried their best. Palakpakan natin lahat ng mga local officials, lahat ng mga mayors who have really excited all efforts to make this presentation to what it is today. We are very proud to see how our artists has evolved to create these magnificent gigantes representing the culture of each municipality. So, nagpasalamat kita po sa aton ng mga opisyales na congratulate you sa aton ng mga naghimo ikaran ng mga gigante. I'd like also to acknowledge the presence of our board of judges. I am sure that you will have a hard time. I'm sure that you will have a hard time judging our gigantes because all of them are really a work of art. And so, again, salamat ninyo sa inyong pagpadayon sa pagsuporta ay gigante pa rin for the past 31 years and to continue this tradition in the coming years to come. Dalipatan na ako i-recognize na ako na partner sa Congress. Congressman Jens Marquez, please give him a round of applause. Imaula ang pinakamahugod na congressman na kita na ako sa Congress na makaroon. Siguro ka mo kasayon, 70 committees, mga nakarana, membership, specific committee ba, pinakamaabo sa isang kongresista sa Kongreso. Ngayon palakpakan ako si Jeff sa alang kahugod. Again, pasalamatan man ako si Mayor Julie Sucro sa alang pag-introbalit nato nga lang na venue. Magkamatangin o anak na lang na pagpreparar. Palakpakan na nato si Mayor Julie Sucro. Pasalamatan natin ma'am. And to all of you, salamat din ang pagselebrar kita at atong nakapistahan na nagasilit kita ay Viva Señor Santo Niño!
Okay, ako dito salamat, Congressman Joel Flores. And of course, no, bago magtanang ay gusto na kami sa amin nato. Meron na pauso in linya. Aklan!
Akwan!
Aklan!
Akwan!
Okay, so pagkatapos na ito, may kabalaka at masaligang kit. Throughout ang Provincial Governor in Provincial Aklan, Honorable Jose Enrique Joel Flores.
Thank you, Joshua. Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño! Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño! Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño! May kaya din niya hapon sa tanan. Kapigit sa aton ng mga bisita kaya makaroon. Nagkakaroon kay Ina, o aton nga Dewa, ka Congressman, Kong Jess, si Kong Joven, o aton nga Vice Governor Dexter Calizo, o atong bisita nga Kongresista, Kong Eli San Fernando, o atong mga Sanginan, Palalawigan members, o atong mga municipal mayors, vice mayors, leaders, o atong mga kabanuhanan. Ang gabigit ko sa ating bisita makaroon na representant, atong na mayor, amigo natin na mayor, halit sa Tainan City, kay Mayor Wang Wei Che, Iyano ating anak ng Director General, si Mr. Su N.N. at Martino. Palakpakan din natin sa at sa talan-talan ng mga pumuyong Afganong balikbayans kaya makaroon again at hapon sa talan. At malipali ikit ako na sa daya nga lang natagpon. Eksakto gito ni number ni Lolokong na nag-level up pagit roaton ng mga higante halin sa mga kasari-sari ng kabanuhanan yan sa aton na probinsya. Sa pagpupo natin, pinag-gobernador ninyo sa 2022, ako naging nagkitawan ito importansya natin ng Higante Parade by 2023. Yung taasan natin ng premyo sa makaroon namin na may 200,000 pesos sa ka-champion. Pero sa next year, sa nakita ko sa kada tagpon, so atong mga mayors, so atong mga munisipyo, may anong dagit ng natawan, may oras, natawan ng tempo, mahong budget ng pag-ubra, inanggang na mahigante para ipakita ninyo, ipakita sa Afganon kung gaano kalamir ang kabanuhanan, kung ano ang nagkolisyon, kultura, ang pagkaon, marga sa next year ay mapilitan din ako nga taasan pagin nato no aton nga pagpremyo. Tama man, di ba nga? Tama man. Ang sa ato nga iniisip kaina ay pangayuan ko rodewa nato na congressman. Si Lolo Kong, si Kong Jess, ang ginatulong pa na si Kong Eli, dahil mabalik man ko din mo yan next year, ay pangayuan pagin nato at papremyo nga nataas pagin no aton nga premyo. Dahil deserve din it mga kapanuahan na nato. Nakita mo din kaila sa pagparada, proud na proud lumatagang LGUs, nakibahan ng dalawang mga local leaders at nagiging ang mga higante na ginaparada iya sa bilog ng Paduan in Calibo. Ngayon, palakpakan nato ng atong mga mayors na nagpartisipar sa daya na lang higante Parade 2026. Halin sa Balete kay Mayor Pres Calizo, palakpakan din natin the all officials. Halin sa Malinaw kay Mayor Jojo Etina. Halin sa Banga kay Mayor Boy Lidison. Halin sa Tangalan kay Mayor Jean Fuentes. Halin sa Numancia kay Mayor Ogie Guinero. Halin sa Navas kay Mayor James Sulanoy. Iya sa Calibo, amay ni Mayor Santa Cruz may Bansot, Higante. Kay Mayor Juris Bautista Sucro, sa Buruanga, halin sa Buruanga, kay Mayor Alan Taguhoy, sa Libacao, halin sa Libacao, kay Mayor Tim Tudosio, at sa Ibahay, kay Mayor Miguel Miraflores. So, napakagit natin ng mga LGUs na nagpartisipan, and hopefully next year, ay mas maabot pagin ng LGUs na maka-intra sa daya ng higante parade natin. At sigurado din na sa performance makaroon ay sigurado din na mas ma-level up para mga higante natin sa next year. So abo-abo, bigkasiraman din yung tanan. At sa mga judges natin, tindog to our judges, can you please stand up? Please stand up sa atong mga judges makaroon. Please. They have a very difficult time in judging this higante. Sa ako niya kinakita, tanan-tanan ng higante yung makaroon ng kaobutan. Napalakpakan nila din natin. Wow na wow, ang amazing din na pagkaubra. Kung nga nga Santa may nagkalisod sa dahil hapon sa pagpili kung sino champion sa dayang rangatagpon. So again, sa tanan ko lang nag-organize na sa department or sa Office. Palakpakan din nato ng Aklan Tourism Office nato, headed by Karina Luis. At sa tanan-tanan ng kabuo, halin sa provincial government agad, salamat yung inyong again sa atong mga LGUs. Ako kay salamat, kaya tayo gagawin. Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño!
Okay, ako bigyan salamat, Governor Joe L. Miraflores. Ito, lagi mabigyan ng pagsalang ko, mapagselebrar ng atong Higante Contest, kaya sa kooperasyon para niya, hindi ba makakadlaw. So, man, Aklan!
Akwan!
Aklan!
Akwan!
Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño!
Viva!
Okay, very good. So, okay, so to ensure the fairness and integrity of the contest, we have invited the respective board of judges. So, we will introduce them one by one. So, for our first judge, she is a senior economic development specialist in the Department of Economy, Planning Development, or DepDev, the Philippines Premier Planning Agency, and also serves as the focal person of the Regional Culture, Heritage, and the Arts Committee of the Regional Development Council, 6 for Western Visayas. She holds 2 master's degree or Masters of CMO studies at Yangnan University Korea and Council Development Management from the Development Academy of the Philippines, a licensed environmental planner. She pioneered a new village tree for sustainable development at authored the innovation of model Bagong Bayanihan ng Bayan. She is a multi-awarded talented professional and an internationally recognized playwright, as well as theater, film, and broadcast artist. Her work has been featured at the Cultural Center of the Philippines, a CMU camp, Ribbon Playwright International Conferences, the International Theater Institute of IEI, and the Cinemalaya Film Festival. She both currently serves on the board of global arts organizations, including the International Playwrights Forum of IEI and as president of the Women Playwrights International. Passionate about inclusive development and creating advocacy, she continues to bridge policy, culture, innovation to empower communities and amplify voices in the Philippines and the global stage. Let us all welcome the environmental planner, August Melody Ando. Palakpakan po natin. Thank you so much. And of course, to show our appreciation and we will take a significant appreciation to Ms. August Melody Ando, Senior Economic Development Specialist, grateful to the patient for co-operating for all hard support and participation as judge during the Higante 2026 contest. We will be rewarded by the 6th Pasaran Alibaklan, signed Jose Enrique Joel Torres, Governor. Palakpakan po natin.
Ayan, smile for the picture. Together with Doc Joanne, Vice Governor Dexter, Ma'am Rosel, Honorable Ralph Tolosa, and SP Member Dr. Bartuma. Akwan! Thank you so much. Our second judge, a Department of Tourism accredited regional tour guide, the only Filipino brand of service excellence trainer enterprise level. Testa and C3 Holberg Events Management Services,
Festival 3, an annual beauty pageant of the municipality of Haliway, in charge of the Indang Festival of Lights, a yearly festival held every December. 3-time award is the most outstanding foreign teacher award out of the 886 international candidates, featured several times in the Philippine National TV, the China Central Television of China, recipient of the prestigious State and Legislative Foreign Express Affairs Bureau Medal of Honor in bringing the Philippines and China cultural and educational excellence. Official attaché of the Philippines Consulate General in Guangzhou, Southern China area, international language consultant of the Beckman International School of China for 21 years, outstanding resource speaker in promoting culture, education, and various universities all over China, director of Foreign Affairs Department of the prestigious Canadian International School of Guangzhou from 2008 to 2019. President of the Municipal Tourism Officer of the Municipality of Haliway and had won various awards and recognition of province, region, and central office. And let's all welcome Dr. Alvin C. Balban.
Thank you so much, Dr. Eltran. Nag-enjoy ko lang sa partner sa pag-lunch.
Yes,
Sa
well,
ating-
very,
Yes. Oo. At natin siya na yan, para sa souvenir siya. Smile for the picture together with our third judge, Dr. Eltran. That is Atlas 1, Act 1. Thank you so much. Our fourth judge is a community leader with a strong Anglaman cultural background and a long-standing commitment to cultural preservation. Since 2017 up to present, she has served as president, co-founder of the Anglaman community in the United Kingdom and Ireland, leading initiatives that promote Anglaman heritage, including the Ari-Arihan Festival, to wider United Kingdom audiences. She also acts as one of the organizers for the London Parade participated by Filipino community in UK, helping raise awareness of Filipino culture through inclusive public events. Her passion for this work is rooted in her personal experience. During her college years, she participated in the Ari-Arihan Festival yearly as part of the Barter of Panay reenactment, and as a nursing student, she represented Aklan in cultural folk dance competitions, achieving champion in the regional level. Ladies and gentlemen, our fourth judge, Ma'am Marjorie Lopez Gonzaga. Thank you so much. Our fourth judge, Ma'am Marjorie. At dahil dyan, another shot partner smile for the picture. Let us act as one. In 3, 2, 1, act 1.
Okay, last but never the least,
So much,
Maria Teresa served this for 3 decades. She's a national past president of the Association of Tourism Officers of the Philippines, former provincial tourism officer of Negros Occidental, and president of the Chief Tourism Operations Officer of Tourism Regulations Division Department of Tourism Region 6, our board of our master judge. Let us all welcome Genevieve Cordero.
Yes, Chairman of the Board of Judges, Ma'am Jeneline Cordero. Another shot, another smile for our final judge. Maraming salamat. Let us act as one, act 1. Moving forward, ladies and gentlemen, certificate of participation is presented to the municipality of Balete in recognition
certificate will be given to the municipality of Baha. Our beautiful Baha. So we would like to request the mayor of Baha, the vice mayor,
Smile for the future. Let us act as one, act one.
okay, next is our LGU Pangalan.
Yes.
We would like to request our dear mayor and vice mayor of LGU Pangalan
To receive the certificate of participation. Maraming salamat. Smile for the picture. Let us act as one. In 3, 2, 1, act one.
a certificate will be given to the municipality of Tumansha.
We would like to request the mayor and vice mayor of the municipality of Numancia to receive the certificate of participation. Maraming salamat po. At dahil dyan, another shot, another smile for this souvenir remembrance. 1, 2, 3, and smile.
Next is from the municipality of Navas.
Thank you so much.
Our mayor and vice mayor from the municipality of Navas. Thank you so much. Okay, next is from the municipality of Catigo.
We would like to request the mayor and vice mayor of Paco Calibo. Smile for the picture. Let us act as one, act one.
Thank you, and next is the municipality of Buruanga.
We would like to request the mayor and vice mayor of the municipality of Buruanga. You ready and smile? Now as souvenir shot. 1, 2, 3, and smile.
So yes, no, maya-maya we will be announcing the winners for our regalo. So yung mga pagkiyado natin, pakibalik-balik na sa area.
Yes.
Next is the municipality of Libaka.
We would like to request the mayor and vice mayor of the municipality of Libacao.
And of course, requesting all the employees of the OPLGU to please return here as we announce later the winner for our Regante Contest 2026.
Yes, abangers tayo dyan lahat.
Of course, our Libaka mayor and vice mayor. Thank you so much.
Another shot, another smile for a souvenir picture. 1, 2, 3, and smile. Let us act as one, act one.
Next is from the municipality of
We
Ibahay.
would like to request the mayor and vice mayor of the municipality of Ibahay to receive the certificate of participation. Act one.
Last but never the least, our municipality of Malinaw.
We would like to request the mayor and vice mayor of the municipality of Malinaw. Once again, thank you so much to our board of directors. Thank you so much to our participating LGUs for this year's Gigante Conference and LGU Parade. At this time, partner, hawak naman natin ang final results. All the best sa ating 10 Gigante entries.
Partner, no, we will be repeating the prizes. So for the 5th place,
Yes, partner, inaabangan nila lahat ang etong winners natin.
yes, partner. So 5th place muna tayo, 80,000 pesos. And of course, for the fourth place, we will be receiving 100,000 pesos. For the third place, 120,000 pesos. For the second place, 150,000 pesos. And of course, for the first place, 200,000, and the rest will be receiving the consolation prizes of 60,000 pesos each LGU. And of course, we would like to acknowledge the help and effort of our partner agencies and offices. We have the Provincial Governor's Office,
Provincial Engineering Office,
Provincial DRMO Office,
Provincial
General.
General Services Office,
of course, from the Provincial Accountant's Office, and Provincial Human Resource Management Office.
Provincial Barangay Affairs Office,
Yes, and the Philippine National Police, maraming salamat. From General Services Office of LGU Calibo.
and our 16 LGUs partner, ang atong makaroon na manuwang makatok, na nagapangayon yung i-dispensa namin, makaroon din ang atlawan, din manuwang makatok. Pagkapistahan ang ito, kaya 16 LGUs sila mga kaya, viva makatok!
Yes, Viva Makatopan. And of course, Calibo Cable, Akat Cable, and of course, the DC from the Criminology Department, and all media outlets and LTS. And of course, ako na Aklan Provincial Tourism Office here.
Yes, and ang araw natin yung Motion Films Production. Yes, maraming salamat. And right now, ito na ang pinakahihintay ng lahat. Announcement of winner!
Okay, are you ready?
Ready, ready!
Ready na ba? Okay naman, Viva! Kay Senyor Santo Niño!
Viva!
Viva! Kay Senyor Santo Niño!
Viva!
Aklan!
Akwan!
Aklan!
Aklan!
Okay.
Okay, the first na ako nagkatawagan partner ay yung aton yung 5th place. Once again, our 5th place will receive 80,000 na pesos. Our fourth runner-up, yes, fourth runner-up.
Fourth runner-up.
Yes.
And for our fourth runner-up, as
Gardening.
83.2%. 83.2%. Okay. Are you ready? Let us all welcome our call, LGU Buruanga!
Entry number 8, LGU Numancia. This year's 5th, our 5th place, our fourth runner-up. Yes.
Of course, we would like to request our mayor and vice mayor to please.
LGU Buruanga. Congratulations. LGU Buruanga, our fourth runner-up.
Requesting our mayor and vice mayor of LGU Buruanga. Again, Buruanga! Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño!
Viva!
Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño!
Viva, our fourth runner-up for this year's Hikanta contest, garnering a 83.2%.
Okay, forward ang tapos inigante para may anak Buruanga.
Buruanga.
Forward lang po yung ating inigante ng Buruanga.
Surprising Buruanga. Akwan. Congratulations, LGU Buruanga, fourth runner-up. Our third runner-up for this year's Hikanta contest, garnering a 86.5%. Congratulations, LGU Malinaw! Entry number 2.
LGU Malinaw! Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño! Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño!
LGU Malinaw, ginagamanangan ni Honorable Mayor Josephine Ipinya will receive 100,000 pesos. Congrats!
Congratulations, partner. Kung ba ka rin magalaw sa kanyang contest.
Yes!
So forward lang po ang ating LGU Malinaw.
Yes!
Forward po. Namigang ka ng LGU Malinaw, paki-forward. Okay, are you ready for our second runner-up?
Yes, we are ready, partner Josh.
Yes. Pinapakahalin tayo ngayon. Okay, our second runner-up, garnering a total percentage score of 88.8%. Our
year's Egante Contest. We would like to request the Mayor of the Municipality of Navas. Ayan.
Yes, no, so we would like to request ating yung tourism officer of LGU Navas. Yes. Ayun siya.
Yes, the tourism officer, Sir Brian Briones. Congrats po, ayan, LGU Navas. This year's second runner-up.
Ayun siya pa, nag-Miss Universe, galing kita na.
Yes.
Pagkakilat, ako ikaw sa birthday.
Yes, Act 1. Yes, ang ito po ang picture taking. Once again, congrats po, LGU Navas. Ladies and gentlemen, our first runner-up, garnering a 90.1%. Wow. Congrats! Entry number 1, LGU Balete! LGU Balete! Di ba may sanyang sagot ninyo? Pinapakanahan ni Honorable Mayor Priscilla Calido. We would like to request Honorable Mayor Priscilla and the Honorable Vice Mayor Patrick Lachina to receive the cash prize. Wow! And our first runner-up will receive 150,000 pesos. Smile for the picture at 1. Once again, congratulations, LGU Balete! At ang inamangan ng mga partner, champion!
Are you ready?
Yes, we are all ready!
Who's your bet? Ano yung pagkaga? Sino ba taog?
Sa inyong panawan, sino ang champion for this year's Gigante Contest?
Pakisingit ng Banwa! Pakisingit ng Banwa!
Energy ng Banwa! Yes, excited po po mga partner
Yes,
ko na
partner.
masayuran po. Sino ang champion sa ito ko na lang Gigante Contest? Kasi hindi ko naman pagbabahayan pa, partner Josh. This year's champion garnering a 93.8%!
93.8% multiple female partner.
Ladies and gentlemen, this year's champion for the Gigante Contest goes to
LGU! Pangalan! Viva Casillas Santo Niño! Viva Casillas Santo Niño!
Pinapakinahan ni Honorable Mayor Jean Fuentes and Honorable Vice Mayor Gary Fuentes, and of course, wala ng Resident Municipal Tourism Officer, Ma'am Kathleen Conicio. Congratulations!
Congratulations, pangalan!
LGU Tangalan will receive
200,000 pesos.
200,000 pesos! LGU Tangalan, viva kay Senyor Santo Niño!
Viva!
Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño!
Viva!
Congratulations to all our winners for this year's Gigante Contest. And of course, sa aton na 5 remaining LGUs ay we will receive po 6,000 pesos consolation prize. Okay.
Taga-LGU pangalan ko, pinarequest ko inyong mag-ibig pasama niya sa stage. Kung inyong ibig pasama sa stage. Ako na mo meron, kataon mo sa mo.
Once again, congratulations, our champion for this year's Gigante Contest is none other than partner LGU Tangalan.
Of course, yes, we would like to request all our officials, all our VIP to please have our photo taken right now.
Yes.
So picture muna tayo to all our mayors, vice mayors, elected officials, and committees in charge. And
Board of
ako, picture
Judges.
muna tayo.
Yes.
Picture taking muna po, bago umalis. Together with our board of judges. Our board of judges, maraming salamat po. And of course, atong pinaka, provincial provincial office, headed by Mr. Luis. Maraming salamat and congratulations.
Yes, congratulations.